What's going on, everybody? Today, I'd like to talk about how to use different types of time words such as for, since, and ago. Let's get started. We use for to indicate the duration of time something has happened. For example, I have studied English for 2 years. So we use for to connect with any kind of period of time, like for 5 days, for 10 minutes, for 1 month, for 5 years, etc. Since indicates the starting point of an action or situation. For example, he has lived here since January. So we use since to explain that something happened at any time in the past and it's still true till now. So he has lived here since January means he started living in January and he's still here. So after since we use point of time. For example, we can't say since 5 days. We will say since Monday. We can't say since 5 minutes. Instead we'll say since 10 o'clock. Instead of since 2 months, we'll say since January. So we use any specific point of time in the past after since. Ago indicates how long ago something happened. For example, I finished my homework 2 hours ago. It means 2 hours in the past from now. I have known her for 10 years. They have been married for 5 years. She has worked here since 2010. We have lived in this house since we got married. I saw him 2 days ago. They moved here 3 months ago. Now let's try to solve some exercise using either for or since. Tim has been in New York. So now the word is Monday. Monday is a point of time, specific time. So we use since. Since Monday. Tim has been in New York. Now there is a week. That's not a point, that's a period of time. We use for. Like, Tim has been in New York for a week. My cousin has lived in Canada for 10 years. Laura is in her office. She has been there since 8 o'clock. Brazil has been an independent country since 1822. The train is late. We've been waiting for 30 minutes. No one lives in this no one lives in those houses that have been empty for many years. George has been unwell for a long time. He has been in bed since last Friday. Let's try to answer these questions using the word ago. When was the last time you exercised? 2 hours ago. When was the last time you read a book? 2 months ago. When did you last see a movie? 5 years ago. When was the last time you traveled by plane? 4 years ago. When was the last time you went shopping? 3 days ago. Now let's try to complete these sentences with either for or ago. Lisa arrived in Paris 3 days ago. Lisa has been in Paris for 3 days. Mike, so here, Lisa arrived. So we use ago with past simple tense, and we use for and since with present perfect. Mike and Jane have been friends for 15 years. Mike and Jane met 15 years ago. John arrived an hour ago. I bought this jacket a few days ago. Sam has been learning French for 6 months. Have you known Mark for a long time? Alice has been in Italy for a week. Peter has been here since Wednesday. It has been snowing for an hour. I've known Jack since 2005. Anna and David have been engaged for 6 months. Tom has been studying architecture for 4 years. Emma has played the violin since she was 8 years old. So she was 8 years old. This is a point of time, so we use since. I've lived in this city for how many years? I've lived in this city for 3 years. I've been in this job for 2 years. I've been learning Spanish for 6 months. I've known Alice for a long time. I've had this car since last summer. So in this video, we looked at for, since, and ago. So we use ago with past simple tense to say that something happened this time in the past, like 2 hours ago. So 2 hours from now in the past, 5 days ago, 5 days ago, like from now in the past. And we use for and since in present perfect. We use for period of time, something that's not specific, like for 5 minutes, for 1 hour, for 2 days. And we use since for specific time, like since 10 a.m., since Monday, since January, since 2019, etc. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.